Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can delete your Epic Games account. So you have an Epic Games account that you use to buy a lot of games and install a lot of games to play in your PC, but now you want to delete that account for some reason but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to delete your Epic Games account in very easy way. It's a very simple process. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to delete your Epic Games account is open your browser and go to epicgames.com. Once you go to epicgames.com, you land on an interface like this. Now here make sure you logged into the account that you want to delete. If not, go ahead and log into that account. Once you log into that account, what you want to do is simply go to your profile name, then go into your account settings. Once you go to the account settings of your Epic Games account, you land on the general settings of your Epic Games account. From here, what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom until you see the option labeled as delete account. Here what you want to do is tap on the request account delete to in order to permanently delete your Epic Games account. Once you tap on that button, a new pop-up window like this will open. Here what you'll have to do is enter the security code that Epic Games has sent to the email address that you're using as your Epic Games email address. So wait for that code to arrive, then enter that code here. Once you enter that code, tap on the confirm delete request button. Then you'll have to select a reason why you want to delete this account, or what you can do is skip this simply. So tap on the skip this option. Once you do that, your account deletion request will be sent. Now your account will be deactivated for 14 days, so you'll have to wait for the 14 days deletion process in order to completely delete your Epic Games account. So tap on this logout button. Once you log out of your Epic Games account, your account deletion process will begin. You will have to wait for 14 days in order for your account to get deleted permanently. Till then your account will be deactivated, or later down the line if you decide to not delete this account, what you want to do is simply log into that account and your account will be revived and your deletion process will be cancelled automatically. So those are the simple steps in order to delete your Epic Games account permanently in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.